Hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel, and I'm out here at Rockport Beach. It's in Rockport, Massachusetts. And so I just want you to follow along, and I'm going to give you a little tour of Rockport. Today is my birthday, so I'm out here celebrating. I love eating lobster, so that's going to be what I'm going to eat today. So follow me along and check out Rockport. It's a great, great place. You'll love it. It reminds you of Martha's Vineyard on the Cape, except it's not that many people. It's people, but nowhere near the number that you would get on Martha's Vineyard. Okay? All right, so let's check it out, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, so this is Main Street. You see they have a lot of stores and different specialty shops like jewelry and stuff like that. Right here we have a candy place where you can go and get homemade candy. And we have t-shirts right here. See how pretty it is? Look at the flowers and all. Nice, right? Okay, let's go further. Okay, we have an Asian inspiration gallery here. So these are different types of maybe souvenirs or artifacts that you can get. And we have some down here on the ground is a good example. Let's see if we can see that. Oh, okay. And in the window, take a look at that. How about that, huh? Oh, let's see what else we can find. Okay, I'm down here at the water here. We have some houses. I'm sure you can rent some of these. And the boats in the water. How about that, huh? Oh, you would love it here, let me tell you. I come here every year for my birthday. So that's why I'm here today. Okay, let me show you some more. Okay, so we're a little further up on Main Street. I just wanted you to get a view of that. So you can see it is quite a few people here, but nothing like if you go to the Cape. There's another art gallery right here. It's called Ocean View Art Gallery. Right up there. We have different pictures here. Here's another picture they have. Nice, huh? Okay, let's go further. Okay, we're a little further up Main Street. As you can see, nothing but shops and restaurants. Oh, you would just love it. And the water is everywhere surrounding these shops. Okay, let's go further. Okay, I'm here at Roy Moore Lobster Company. And this is where I come, and they always have 3 lobsters for a certain price. Today, it's 3 lobsters for $40 or $15 each. This is what I come for, guys. And the lobsters are between 1 and 1.5 pounds, depending on what they pick out, okay? All right, so we're going to go in, and I'm going to order my 3 lobsters. All right, 1 second. Okay, guys, you see the lobsters, right? I am in heaven. Okay? You gotta come. You're gonna love it. Oh, okay. Look at the lobsters. And then they got seafood trays there.
Can you take the 10 and give me 2 5s, please?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Awesome, appreciate it.
Are we taking a picture? Or
Okay, Ken, go closer to the door to light.
go to the light.
There we go.
All right.
Okay, guys,
All
we're
right.
here with Ken. Look at these babies.
Hello, Grandma Ray.
Hey.
I wish my nephew Bobby was here today, but he's not.
So tell them how to find you.
Come down to Bearskin Neck, halfway down on the right-hand side, you'll see a 6-foot one of these hanging outside.
In Rockport,
In Rockport,
At
Massachusetts,
Rockport
Roy
Beach.
Moore Lobster Company. And lobsters
Okay.
fly.
Wow, great.